Hello, and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to split your screen on a Chromebook here on Learning the Social Sciences. Splitting your screen is quite easy. First, you're going to need two windows open. So, on an older Chromebook or on certain models, you're going to have to come down here to your launcher and you are going to click to open a window there. However, on this Chromebook, we are just going to come over to the Google Chrome icon. We are going to two finger tap on it and then press New Window. From there, we are going to come up to the Maximize Minimize Your Window icon, and we are going to click on it and hold down. What you're going to notice, our arrows are going to appear. And when I go and hover over it, you're going to see an opaque window show up to show exactly where that window will now display. So when I lift my finger, boom, I have that window over there. And I'm going to do the same with this window. And I am, boom, going to have it over here on the right. If ever I need to open another window for whatever reason, I can just double tap on there, and if I want to be able to have my windows go back to normal full screen, all I have to do then is click on that square again up on the upper right hand button. So there you go. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.